What if right here you thought you were being a hero because you saw the bounce here and you're like, damn it, I missed it. I think it's going to bounce again. And then you bought a call right here, right? And it does this candle, right? Because you thought you were going to be master scalper, then not put in your stop. And then that candle crushes your soul. You're in a call. And now you're like, well, let's see if it comes back. And then you come down into here. And guess what? You probably would wind up selling your call for a loss here, right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And then you go, damn it, if only I would have.
Pretty much how it went.
Yeah,
Coulda, woulda, coulda.
that's
Been
right.
there too many times.
That's right. So again, what's going to help us every single time is going to be position size plus stop loss. So you get out of your own way, right?
Yep.
So just like this, if we went in small here on a call, who cares if, oh, I should have loaded the boat. It doesn't matter. That's a good trade. It told you right here it was going the other way. You also saw the bounce right here. And here's another thing when we're in here trading. You see how it couldn't leave this range? That's a sign of weakness, isn't it? Consolidation.
Yeah.
You got off of a downtrend consolidation, pull at the open, right? Touched a critical level that touched before, 412.86. Right here starts to make you question what's going on. And then, of course, when you saw the super trend flip, see ya, hasta la vista, I'm not hanging on. So even if you bought here and you had to sell, hell, even in here, you still made money, right? So no matter what, that should be a winning trade. Now the trade, the stock keeps moving. It hits in here. Now here's the thing that I want you to see. Right? Let me zoom in on this. Give me 1 second. Here's what I want you to see on this trade, okay? And this can happen. This is why you've got to have that stop loss. Let's say you bought it right here, right? You see it right on the line. You got in a little early because you didn't do what? You didn't wait for the break and hold, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what does that mean, coach? It means if it pops through, that's not the entry. Because it can go right here again, and then it can pop through, that's not the entry. And then it can go right here, and then it can pop through, that's not the entry, is it? You need it to break through and then have more position. Either a really long candle comes through it, or you then get like another second confirmation candle, which is this one. You see it?
Yep.
Comes through. So this one was a long candle, plus it's the second candle. Let me clear this. It's also the second candle that came through. You see this little point? So that is now 2 candles that came through, right? So that is, this second candle is your confirmation, which means if you bought it anywhere in here, you still got to ride this down, right? And because it's SPY, contract premiums are so expensive, you made a lot of money, even on that small move, right?